GameChangerz and Precision Gadget Repair, located in South Salt Lake City, boasts a huge catalog of retro games and consoles. As soon as customers walk through the door, they are greeted with walls and shelves filled with thousands of games and accessories. GameChangerz does not just only sell games and consoles, however, but they also fix them as well, with their own in-house repair service. GameChangerz prides itself on its customer-first oriented business model.
We really put a focus on making sure that the community is taken care of. We take care of gamers in Utah because we are gamers in Utah, and so we try really hard to be transparent and open about our pricing and how much we offer in trade. We make sure that you guys know you can trust us.
In the US alone, over 227 million people play video games at least a few hours a day. And on average, 74% of US households comprise of at least one member who plays video games. Studies show that playing video games can be very beneficial for cognitive, physical, and mental health. Playing video games can relieve stress, improve mental dexterity, improve social skills, and even improve vision.
People tend to blur the line a little bit, and they tend to assume, well, if you're into video games, that's all you do all day, and that's not the case for most people. The vast majority of people who shop here, definitely the people who work here, they got a good, healthy work-life balance. They got a good, healthy game-to-life balance. You know what I mean? One thing that I really like about gaming as a hobby, though, is the social aspect of it.
GameChangerz and Precision Gadget Repair are open 7 days a week, Monday through Saturday from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. and Sundays from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. If you want to learn more about GameChangerz and Precision Gadget Repair, visit their website at GameChangerzandPrecision.com.